If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Apex Legends, you can follow these steps to potentially resolve the problem. Here is a straightforward guide to help you disable the server timeout. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running smoothly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services to confirm that your connection is not the issue. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and allow it to fully restart. Step 3. Change server region. In Apex Legends, go to the settings menu and navigate to the gameplay options. Change your server region to a different one that is closer to your location or has a lower ping. This can help reduce timeout issues. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, or other online games that could affect your connection. Step 5. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Keeping your drivers current can improve connectivity and reduce timeout errors. By following these steps, you should be able to address the server timeout issues in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider or the game's support team for further assistance.